Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the ASUS V16. This is the V3607VM model. This is a gaming laptop aimed more on the budget end. It's 16-inch, it runs at 1200p, it has a 144Hz screen, and in terms of the specs it comes with the Intel Core 7 24H, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, it has 16GB of RAM. This can be expanded. There is another free RAM slot. It has 1TB SSD. It's a backlit keyboard. Comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. And in terms of what you get with this one, this is particularly within the UK market. So this one comes with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass, typical for ASUS. And we also get a free game code for the new upcoming 007 First Light. And this is exclusive for RTX 50 series cards. So accessories that we get, so typical three plug, you can see there, yeah. UK standard. And there's a proprietary charging there. So it's exclusive to this one. I'm not sure if it does any other laptops as well, but yeah, that's what this looks like. So you can see there, that's what it looks like there. Nice. And this is 150 watts to power both GPU and CPU. Here. One second. And you also get, and you also get some fast charging, some you see there. You also get board cards. So just a couple things, the box is very good. Just to check this out, top of the line. You also get the zero green care nice and everything easier. So here's some sides. Now what I have is get this little protective sheet, quite common with these laptops. And we're going to take it out here. So to show the back first actually. So here we go, this is it. This is the ASUS. The back's actually quite nice, I have to say. It's kind of very plasticky, and you can kind of see marks showing already on it there with my fingerprints. But it is a nice back, I have to say. And here we get the side of the laptop. So let's check here. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, we can see there. So we have the charging port, HDMI, USB-C, little lock switch there, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the other side we have USB-A. And on the back there is nothing. Just 2 exhaust vents. Yeah, 2 exhaust vents there. That's it. On the front, you can see here the marks that are happening here. But it's very unassuming. It's quite a nice plastic top, I have to say. Again, does not scream gamer, definitely not. So we're going to open it up. One hand opening, there we go, no problem. We get this little sheet and we have the laptop. So it's a nice keyboard here. It's a matte screen, you can probably see here, it goes all the way back. A nice matte screen. And here is ridged. So it has like little markings here, which is quite nice, I have to say. And let me pull it up so you can see here how it looks. Yeah, not bad. You also get a numpad, and it's not too heavy, I have to say. It's quite light overall. So this is the unboxing experience. Now the size of this trackpad is massive. The trackpad is really, really big for this type of laptop. Really like it. Clicky. we go, very, very quick. And we can see there we've got a blue keyboard. I'm not sure if it's always going to be blue or if we can actually change the colours, but it highlights the WASD keys and also the arrow keys, so it's quite nice from first glance. And we'll see how long it takes to have the first initial boot up. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be looking more in depth with the laptop, going to be turning it on, going to be going through the software that's installed from the get-go, and then we will look at some gameplay and things like that later on in the video. So stay subscribed and see you in the next video.